How to sign up for a new account on Perplexity. In this video, I'll show you guys a quick and easy method to sign up for a new account on Perplexity. Open up your web browser and then go to your search bar. Now simply search for Perplexity, hit enter, and click on the first link, perplexity.ai. Once you open up the link, you will be directed to the chat box directly. Now you'll have to sign in. You can do that by clicking right here. If it's on another language, you can just translate it by clicking on the top right, and then I'm going to change it to English. On the bottom left corner of your navigation bar, you'll have the login button. Just click on it. Now you can enter your email address or continue with Google or Apple. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter my email address. Click on continue with email. They'll send you a verification code, and you're just going to have to enter the code here and click on continue to create a new account. Let me just open up a new tab and open my mail. So here I've gotten this email right here. I'm going to click on this initiate this session button or something that says like that. And I'm going to continue with a free plan. Now you can use it as a desktop app, iOS or Android app, or a comment. So I'm just going to click on continue, anything like this. Now you have successfully logged into your account. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.